Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
Alright guys, so it's actually a couple of days later. So I was working on this piece right here. As you can see, we got pretty much everything cut. It got really wrinkly right in this area, so that's why I kind of just cut it. But even with that cut, when it's on the car, you can't even see the black. But I was just going to go ahead and do kind of another piece over that. And then that's when the bumper actually fell over. And it gave me all of this. So I could, if I want, cut all this off and redo it, but I don't want to do that. So this whole thing is trashed. Actually looking at it and hit right here as well. It did scuff it up a little bit here too. And looks like it scuffed it. Oh no, that's nothing. We did get the little things in. So hopefully by tomorrow is Monday. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to get this done. Yeah, it's really fortunate. All we had to do was pretty much put the little pieces on here and then the inlays on there, and that was it. But all in all, I guess it is what it is. We're gonna redo it. I'm gonna try to make it even better, because this area on both sides, the body work is not the greatest. Like, it's not that it's bad, it just needs a little bit more work, but you guys get an idea of how it's pretty much gonna look. This is gonna end up being a semi-gloss black. I haven't decided yet if I want to put an inlay here and make it the same color. I don't want to do the whole half thing just because there's no body line here, so I'm not really that big of a fan of when I see these rear bumpers like that. So either it's gonna be black all or black like that, and then have an inlay here to match that. What do you guys think? But you get an idea of how it's gonna look. So yeah, so now I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much peel all of this off right now.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its breath.
Check out the Stewie PJs, by the way. Hey.
To be alive. Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take.
Alright, got everything peeled off. So yeah, this section, pretty much this entire section here needs to be completely redone. Need a wet sand more in here, and just pretty much wet sand, clean everything up. It feels so smooth. I don't understand why it was not looking the greatest. And then under here we need to wrap it or clean up as well. So I don't want this day to fully go to waste, so I'm gonna go ahead right now actually, and we're not gonna install the bumper until the wrap is done. I mean, we're gonna put it back on the car to wrap it, but if we don't finish that, it's not gonna be going on until it's done. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is actually put all the lights on that you guys saw me put together in the beginning of the video, and this is pretty much let me show you guys pretty much what we have. Pretty much, it's stuck to me. So we pretty much have the lights right here, 3, 6, 9 of them. Now go into here, and then they're all connected, soldered and everything. And then you have the, these are the only colors that I had. Surprisingly, red is actually our ground. Purple is our power. So we got to find where those go. And then coming down to, where is it? Right here, we have a connector piece and a connector piece. So if we ever need to take the bumper off, we could go ahead and pretty much detach it. So it's just a lot easier. So yeah, let's go ahead and just get these thrown in. They should just pretty much just squeeze in. I don't know, we may have to take these back off and put it on and then put it in. So let's just set you guys up and see about getting it. And just so you guys know, again, this all still does need to be painted, but I just want to see how it's gonna look. I think it's gonna look pretty sick though. All right, so I got the bumper on, and I just wanted to get an idea of how it looks with that, with the lights, and there it is. Let me know what you guys think. I like it. It's not 100% what I was expecting it to look like, but I do really like it though, a lot. I think I just need to see the car complete, you know what I mean? Like, I need to see this wrapped, and I need to actually see it outside, aired out, and then I think that'll give me more of an idea of how it's actually gonna look.
The roof pays for trash, and she pays for the gardener, and she pays for a monthly bug man to come, he sprays on the outside. And she pays for water. So water, trash, gardener, and bug man. So you pay for what you consume, which would be gas, electric, it's already pre-wired for cable, and then, you know, whatever internet you guys use and telephones. Yeah, exactly.
So we got, this is the smallest room, which is not bad at all. Closet, next size up. Really deep, this closet is really deep, pretty nice. And then you got ours, nice size. His and hers, sink, shower, bathroom, walk-in closet, and then a huge patio. And they do have a bench out in the garage, 2-car garage and driveway. Oh, I love it, I love it. All right, guys, so we are heading home right now. That place, guys, is so freaking beautiful. It's honestly, I think, everything we all want. What did you think? Yeah, it's like everything we all would like. 2-car garage, it has a workbench in there already, all the lighting, it's 110% perfect in my opinion. So we are on a mission right now to get the applications turned in and see if we can get accepted, because we need to give the other place an answer by tomorrow, because we got approved for a place already, but we're gonna see what happens. So stay up to date, guys, or stay tuned with the videos, because I'll keep you guys up to date. And who knows, maybe we'll get this place. If we do, we're gonna be cracking out some killer videos, that's for damn sure. So stay tuned, and let's get back to the normal programming. Corner lights, and this is what I went with. So it's pretty much exactly the same thing as what we just had, except black. So we have this film, of course, on there, but black. So I think this should look really good. So let's go ahead right now and get this one pulled off. There we go. And then I have not had any lights in here, and this actually came with some lights. Let's see, right here. So it actually came with some lights, so that's perfect. And then we have the other one right here. So let's go ahead, get these bad boys thrown on. There they are, guys. Looks really, really good. I think what I'm gonna do is actually take them back out. Not right now, but because you can see the vinyl. So I'm gonna paint, I think, the bottom, but you get the gist. So let's go ahead. There it is. Awesome. I have not had corner lights, guys, in forever. So that's that. So like I said, yeah, these will end up coming back out anyways because I do have to rewrap the front bumper. I'm not happy with it. You can see it's peeling. So yeah, and I'm gonna mask this all off and then paint the bottom black. So it should look really well. There it is, guys. There is the new rear end. So let me know what you guys think about everything, I guess. But damn, dude. Like I said, it's not perfect by any means, but it really does pop more on the tail lights now. Big time. So now we just got to get those side skirts done. But geez, look at that, guys. Oh my god. And then the oh, it looks so good. The lights. And the rear bumper is going to be getting redone. When I wrap the front bumper again, I'm going to be making this the same color and then just keep this black. At least I'm going to try. But let me know what you guys think. She's really starting to take shape. I was also considering putting those the same color as the car, but what do you guys think? I want you guys to let me know. Wrap it the same color or keep it black. So, you know, it is far from perfect. This is my first time ever wrapping a car. You know, and I do have plans to change it up again. Possibly a different color in the future, or possibly just in general just start rewrapping parts, because I already know both doors are going to get redone, the other quarter panel is going to get redone, the trunk, the hood, pretty much everything. But for now, I mean, I think it's pretty nice. Once those side skirts are done, holy shit, it's gonna look so good. But I am happy. The rear bumper still is not done. I still am getting some wrinkles down here. It's really hard, so I'm actually just gonna cut it. Okay, I'm gonna cut it and then put on a new piece just to get rid of all of that, because that doesn't look that good. And I am gonna show you one thing that I'm not happy about, but it's the only way I was able to do it. This is a three-piece bumper, three-piece wrap, I should say. One piece in the back, on the sides. If you get up close, you see the seam. So, not happy about it, but it's what I can do. Like I said, guys, I'm not a rapper. This shit is hard. I thought the bumper would be easy, but because it tilts like this and then curves in, and you know, and then it has the little body lines and whatnot, it makes it extremely difficult to do. So I had to do a seam, and the seam's not that good, to be honest. But, and then I do have, like, I don't know what this is. These little squigglies. It's not hair. I mean, maybe it's hair. And I have one right here too, and right here. But that's it. So, but from afar, actually from even close, it's not really super bad. But let me know what you guys think. One thing I realized, my new lights actually match like that part. See? So let me know what you guys think. So I'm gonna be closing out this video in a second because I'm gonna be installing something else on the car today, just to make it look that much more, you know, aggressive, I guess you can say. I'm gonna be hopefully installing that today. But one thing I want your guys' opinion on is, I put up a poll and all of you guys said to do it, but the 326 wing. Should we put the 326 wing back on? I'm gonna put it on right now or hold it up just to get an idea of how it's gonna look. On my poll, everybody on Instagram said do it. So I want to see what you guys think as well, and if you guys vote for it, then we will install the 326. But let me just hold it up real quick, and then let's get an idea of how it looks with this color and everything more complete. All right, guys, there it is. And again, I plan on, if I run it, I'm gonna definitely tilt it a little bit more up, but that's how it looks. Oh my God, it actually looks really good. Before, when I had this wing on, you know, the car was still going through the process of stuff, but let me know what you guys think. Oh my God, I love it actually. We might rock it. We might rock it. It looks really good. But again, I want to know what you guys think. But that's where I'm gonna go ahead and leave this video off. Let me know what you guys think. She's really coming together. And again, guys, this is so far from perfect. It might look good in videos, and don't get me wrong, it looks good in person, but it's definitely not perfect by any means. Yeah, so a lot of touching up to do, but then we just got to get those side skirts done, and hopefully soon, maybe before the move. I think that would be awesome if I can get that done before the move. But let me know what you guys think of everything: the third brake light, the new rear bumper wrap, the lights on the front bumper. I think that looks great, actually. That was a good decision. And what else did we do? Yeah, everything, guys. Until next time, guys, as always, you already know, peace out.